It's possible you've heard about the Canadian wildfires that have caused absolutely horrible air quality through portions of the Midwest, Great Lakes, and on into New England. Well, what do you know? Today, we actually saw some of that smoky haze push in to central Texas. Here is a look at the smoke tracker, and just about as far as Austin is where we've seen a little bit of light smoke. Now, good news, it is not expected to cause unhealthy air quality for us. Our air quality forecast is moderate. But tomorrow, if you notice an especially vivid sunrise or sunset, it's probably going to be because we have a little bit of that smoke from all the way up in Canada that is meandering through our area. By the time we reach Thursday, the smoke is going to be lifting off toward the north, and we should see less in the way of haze, but potentially more in the way of heat. Here is that air quality forecast for our entire area. It is moderate. We are not under an air quality alert. Today, we made it to a high temperature of 96, but the average high is 99, so we're going to consider this a cool August day. Really pleasant for anyone who headed out to Blues on the Green earlier, and tomorrow will be nice as well, maybe 2 or 3 degrees warmer. Lake levels, 90% at Lake Travis, 99% at Lake Buchanan. This is the first time in a couple of weeks that it hasn't been locked at 100%. The longer we go without any substantial rain, the more evaporation will take its toll, and we will start to see those lake levels at least somewhat decline. Currently it's 88 degrees, still feels like 92. High pressures pretty much in control, and I've got to tell you, I do not anticipate any rain for Austin or the Hill Country, and at best only a few hundredths for places like LaGrange and Giddings over the next 7 days. That is while the tropics are still really active. Tropical storm Dexter moving away from land, 40% development chance off the southeast coast and 50% chance in the central Atlantic, but none of those systems expected to affect us here in central Texas. Instead, we're going to see the heat. Lots of sunshine tomorrow, high temperature up to 99. We'll build on that 100 by Thursday and peaking with the heat at 101. That's when that big ridge of high pressure will be closest to us. It'll retreat a little bit farther to the west, so by the upcoming weekend and into next week, not as hot, upper 90s.